Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 10th of December 2018. Our weather today, we're looking at a high of 31 degrees. 24 is our low tonight. 10% chance of rain or precipitation. I did not change these yet, but our hallway expectation this week is going to be the hallway and stairs. So the biggest part with that is maintaining safety by walking in the hallway, keeping your voice level down to the level determined by your teacher. And then make sure you're using every stair and handrail when you're going down the stairs. Staff announcements. Today is our last day to order yearbooks. Get your orders in. The book fair is open this week. It'll be open during the school day. We will post a schedule for classes later today. The book fair will also be open on Tuesday after school until 4 p.m. and then we'll open back up from 5 to 6 so you can bring your families back in on Tuesday between 5 and 6 p.m. and purchase some books and some other stuff that's in there. Lunch today is a happy hamburger on a whole grain bun, mini sweet potato puffs, fruit cocktail, crunchy baby carrots, your choice of milk. Tomorrow we're looking at that nice fresh garden salad with romaine. It's supposed to be good for you again, of course, and then at the end of it you get some crunchy baby carrots. Some quick announcements. This Friday, Miss Hall's class will have a pizza party for an attendance rate for the month of November of 98.46 or 98 and 46 hundredths. Miss Leslie's class just barely missed it with 98.25%. Great job to both classes. Keep up the good work. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!